Hello there, welcome to another tutorial on SC I'm going to show you how to make Amapiano drums from scratch. This is going to show you all you need to know to get your drums banging and sounding really good. Hit the subscribe button if you're new and let's get started. So here we have our kick and also we have our shaker, just a single sound, it's not a shaker loop. Then we have rim shots and a hand drum percussion loop. This will be available for free download, link in the description below. Then we have a shaker loop. I'm going to show you how to really put your drums together without depending much on the shaker loop. All right, so first is our kick. And you just, once you have this on every 4 bar, and Amapiano tempo is range between 110 to 120 BPM. So I'll just stick to 117, somewhere in the middle. 117. Just fill this up all the way. Yeah. Now you may not have that because most Amapiano kicks sound round and deep and heavy. They're not really punchy. So if you have issues having a punchy kick, just link it to the mixer, right? And then use your equalizer and take out a lot of the high end frequency. Then some of the low end as well, just to kill out the punch. Now this doesn't work all the time, but it works most of the time. In case if you do not have an Amapiano kick drum or an Amapiano pack, I'm using a generic afrobeat drum pack, all right? So this is a way to go around it. All right. So the next thing you need to do is this shaker here. You see why it's so important. This is what sets the mood or the groove for your drum tracks. So you're just going to have this in between your kick drums. Just click all the way. Then we listen. Now, some piano songs have this just as simple as it is for their drum track. For example, let me just show you. I'm going to paste it right here, right? I'm going to drag out my shaker loop. And if I play it, this is how it sounds. Some piano songs have just this as their drum tracks, right? But I'm going to show you how we can get a little bit more from this. I'm going to turn off my shaker loop for now. Then, now, when you're trying to use your rim shots, you don't have to go crazy by having it everywhere. This is not the typical Afro pop, right? So you just have a little bit. Just make sure you have some space. Make sure your ring shot has space in it, okay? Then next, let's have our percussion sound. Or we could even have this here and take out the rim shot here. So it depends on how you want to arrange your drums. You can play with the swing a little bit. And then now let's see how it sounds with our shaker loop, right? Come to song mode and then reduce the loudness level of the kick a bit. Now, with this style, you can actually have any rim shot pattern. It doesn't have to be just this. For example, I could just take this out. Let me turn off my percussions. Just have this here. Or I could bring it back so it sounds more rhythmic. Then so the main anchor for these drums was the kick and this shaker right here. So once you get the kick and the shaker right here, most times you're going to get a really good Amapiano drum track. Then how you lay out the rim shot is up to you. You could even use a snare if you like. You could use a clap if you like. You could even use a snap or another percussion sound if you like. It's all up to you. But I just chose, I felt like using rim shots. No real reason behind that. And then you could use any percussion as well you like that just complements the groove. But make sure to always keep it simple. So if you've been struggling with getting pro mixes, making better beats, recording vocals, I do offer one-on-one training. Yes, one-on-one training. And all you have to do is click the link in the description below that says one-on-one training. You fill a very simple form so I can help understand you better and what you need and how I can help you get there. So when you fill this form, I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible and we can get started on your journey to making much better music in no time. Trust me, it doesn't have to be a house. So making music doesn't have to be a house. You don't have to spend many endless hours on YouTube looking for tutorials. With just a very short time, within about 4 to 6 weeks, roughly within that range, I can get you to your goals in no time. Yes, with money back guaranteed. So don't forget to click the link in the description after you're done with this video to fill up a form, and I'm going to get back to you pronto.